If you already know how to play a basic eighth note rock beat, learning a triplet rock beat is a great next step. In this lesson, I'll show you how this beat is different from a typical eighth note rock beat, and then I'll show you some bass drum variations to add some flavor. We'll keep it clear and practical so you can start using it right away. Let's dive in. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer and now play professionally in the Kansas City area. What is a triplet rock beat? Well, it's a rock beat that's based on triplets rather than eighth notes. Let's compare. Here's a basic eighth note beat. Notice that there are 2 notes for every count.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and...
Here is a basic triplet rock beat. Notice that there are 3 eighth notes on each count, and it goes like this.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1.
So the difference is the way we divide each beat. That was the most basic triplet rock beat. Now let's talk about some variations. By the way, if you're wanting to learn the most important beats for the drums, I have something that will really help you with that. I have a list of 10 beats that all drummers need to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It also comes with an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. To understand some basic triplet rock variations, let's compare it again to a basic eighth note rock beat. For a basic rock beat, the most simple variation is just to add some extra eighth notes on the bass drum. For instance, we could play this beat.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1.
Triplet rock is similar, only we're going to add our extra notes on the 3rd note of the triplet. So if we play a beat similar to what we just did, only as a triplet rock beat, it would be like this.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1.
Here's another triplet rock beat variation.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1.
And the type of triplet rock beat you should play is basically determined by what the bass player and or the guitarist is playing. So listen to them to hear what you should be playing on your bass drum. In the comments below, I'll list some songs with basic triplet beats. Your assignment is to take a listen to these songs and play along with them. Don't worry about the fills at first, just try playing along with the basic beat. And you can also use the YouTube settings to slow it down if you need to. Again, if you're wanting to learn the most important beats for the drums, download my free guide. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. So that's how you can start using a triplet rock beat. Now I'd love to hear from you. What kind of music do you usually play on the drums? Do you think you'll try this beat out in your own practice or in your band? Drop a comment below and let me know. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have another video about shuffle beats that I know will also really help you. Please watch that next, and I'll see you next time.